In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an attachment larger than 25 MB in Gmail. If you've ever tried to send a large file via email only to receive an error message saying the file is too big, this guide will help you bypass that limitation using Google Drive. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're there, click on the Compose button, usually located on the upper left side of the screen. This will open a new email window where you can start crafting your message. In the new email window, you'll see several icons at the bottom. One of these icons resembles a paperclip, which is used for attachments. However, since we're sending a large file, we won't be using this. Instead, look for the Google Drive icon, which looks like a triangular shape made up of blue, green, and yellow segments. Clicking on the Google Drive icon will open a new window. Here, you'll have the option to upload files. If your file is already in Google Drive, simply search for it using the search bar, but if it's not, let's go ahead and upload it. Click Upload and then select Files from the drop-down menu. This will open a file browser window on your device. Navigate to the location of the file you want to send and select it. Once you've selected the right file, click Open, and it will start uploading to Google Drive. Depending on the size of the file and the speed of your internet connection, this may take some time, so be patient. After the file is uploaded, it should now appear in your list of available files in Google Drive. Click on the file you just uploaded to select it, and then click the Insert button located at the bottom of the window. This action will attach the file as a Google Drive link within your email. Before you send your email, make sure to check the sharing settings of your file. You want to ensure that the recipient can view it. To do this, click on the link again, and an option for sharing settings should appear. Choose the Anyone with the Link option and set it to Viewer unless you want the recipient to edit or comment on it. Finally, you're ready to send your email. Add your recipient's email address, type out your message, and hit the Send button. And just like that, you've sent a file larger than 25 MB successfully using Google's integrated tools. Now you know how to effectively bypass Gmail's file size limitations and share large files with ease. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to drop any questions you may have in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.